In this video, I'm going to teach you how to remove cart icon in WordPress. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm going to showcase how you can easily remove the shopping cart icon from any page on WordPress. To do this, you will have to visit the Customize page and add a specific snippet of CSS. So to do this, like I said, go into WordPress and access the Customize options. You will notice that for me, I don't have Customize under Appearance. If you don't as well, then don't worry. All that you have to do is access any page, for example, the Appearance Editor. So hover over Appearance Editor, and in the URL, instead of site-editor.php, go to customize.php. So simply replace that part, and you will see your website then wp-admin/customize.php. On this page, you will find additional CSS. So for this method, we will be using additional CSS. Sadly, I don't have the necessary upgraded plan to use additional CSS, but I'm still going to give you the steps, and I'm sure you will be able to paste it here. I apologize. But either way, the snippet of CSS code that you need to use is this one. It is available under this thread on the WordPress forum. So look for remove cart button and currency amount from header, or pause the video and copy it here. It is not long at all. As you can see, it is .site-header-cart.cart-contents, and then finally display none. So copy this particular snippet of code. If you want to pause the video here, go ahead, and paste it as additional CSS. What this is going to do is find the cart icon and the cart contents and remove it from the header. Of course, if you have the cart icon elsewhere, then replace the header portion with whichever section your cart icon is in, for example, the footer. And as long as you replace it here, the display will be set to none, which means that it will not be visible. I hope I was able to help you on how to remove cart icon in WordPress. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.